Save over 270 calories with this coconut-packed chocolate-glazed cake. It's everything you love about coconut desserts, just reimagined in a more balanced way. Start by blending 0% fat cottage cheese. Use a dry kind, like farmer cheese or dry curd. I actually make mine at home. If you want that recipe, let me know and I'll film it. Blend it really well. We need a smooth, creamy texture to build the base of the cake. Crack in 2 eggs, add some non-fat Greek yogurt, add brown sugar. We're using just a small amount. Now add a pinch of salt, a little vanilla powder or extract, and baking powder. Mix everything together until fully combined. Now stir in some semolina for structure and shredded coconut for flavor and texture. Mix again everything together. Let the batter rest for 15 minutes. The batter should be thick but not dry. If it feels too stiff, just add 1 to 2 more spoonfuls of yogurt and mix again. Once rested, pour the batter into your baking dish and smooth the top. Bake for about 40 minutes. It's done when the top is golden and the center feels set when gently pressed. Then turn off the oven, crack the door, and let the cake cool inside for about 15 minutes. This gentle cooling helps it keep its height. Once cooled to room temperature, make the glaze. Melt some dessert chocolate gently, either in a microwave or over a double boiler. If it's too thick, stir in a little warm milk, 1 teaspoon at a time, until smooth and glossy. Pour the glaze over the cooled cake and let it drip naturally. The texture? Moist. It's rich in flavor and delicate, with real coconut throughout. More protein, less sugar, no empty ingredients, and made with foods that support your health and your weight goals. Full instructions and macros in description. And let me know what to cook next time. Thanks for baking with me.